In the potter's house, two vessels stood side by side. They shared the same shelf, the same sunlight, the same dreams. But one day, the stronger pot slipped, and in its fall, it cracked the smaller one beside it. The cracked pot wept quietly. "You hurt me," it whispered. "You broke me, and you just stand there like nothing happened." The other vessel hung its head, ashamed. "I didn't mean to, but I can't undo what I've done." The potter entered the room. His eyes saw what silence could not hide. "Why do you both look so heavy?" he asked gently. "Because he hurt me," said the cracked one. "And because I don't deserve forgiveness," whispered the other. The potter smiled softly. "Then both of you need my touch," he said. He lifted the cracked vessel first. With his fingers, he filled its broken line with gold. "Forgiveness," he said, "doesn't erase what happened, it restores what was lost." Then the potter turned to the other vessel. "You see this?" he asked. "The one you hurt now shines brighter because it let me heal it. Now you must learn to forgive yourself too. Forgiving others frees them. Forgiving yourself frees you." When the potter placed them back together, their cracks were no longer marks of shame, but lines of light that joined them in grace. The smaller pot whispered, "I forgive you." The other replied softly, "Thank you, for showing me the potter's heart." Forgiveness isn't weakness, it's the potter's way of healing hearts. The one who forgives becomes stronger, and the one who is forgiven learns to shine again. If this story touched your heart, let its light reach others too. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to The Awakened Clay.